First, power off your Consumer Cellular flip phone completely before inserting the SIM card. Locate the SIM card tray on the side of your phone, usually marked with a SIM icon. For older models, the SIM slot may be under the battery. Use the provided pin or a paperclip to gently eject the tray by inserting it into the small hole next to the slot. Place the SIM card in the tray with the chip side down, aligning the notch on the SIM with the notch in the tray. Ensure it sits flush and secure. Carefully slide the tray back into the phone until it clicks into place. For battery compartment models, replace the battery and cover. Avoid static electricity and never force the SIM to prevent damage. If you encounter any issues during insertion, contact Consumer Cellular support for assistance. After inserting the SIM card, power on your phone by pressing and holding the power button. The phone should automatically detect the Consumer Cellular network and display signal bars. If it doesn't connect, restart the phone. Activate your phone through Consumer Cellular's website or by calling support at 1-888-345-5509. You'll need the IMEI number from your phone's settings. Test by making a call or sending a text message to confirm everything works. If the phone still doesn't recognize the SIM, ensure it's clean and undamaged. For persistent issues, contact support for a replacement SIM kit.